Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete contact in Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete contacts in Telegram, first open up your Telegram app. And after opening a Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there's a three line icon available for us. Tap on that three line icon and this kind of panel will appear where you can see there is the contact option available for us over here. Just below the new group, tap on contacts, and over here all of your contacts will be available for you. Now in order to proceed to delete that contact which you want to delete on Telegram, tap on the contact which you want to delete and this kind of interface of your chat will appear. Again, at the top of the screen you can see the name. Tap on the name at the top of the screen and you will land on this interface. Now in order to proceed, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three dotted icon available for us just beside the call icon. Tap on that three dotted icon and this kind of drop down menu will appear where you can see there is a delete contact option available for us over here just below the edit contact. Tap on delete contact and this kind of pop-up box will appear. You can see delete button available for us at the bottom right corner of this pop-up box. Now tap on delete and that contact will be deleted on Telegram. And there, guys, this is how to delete contacts in Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.